القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Welcome to the video on Tarqeeq letters, and Tarqeeq applies to all of the light letters. So this is Tarqeeq applies to all of the letters which are istifal, and the alif med and the lam and the ra in other cases. So all other letters and instances of lam and ra and alif med are light. So we've got la, ri'ya, so here we've got kasra, ri'ya, and the kasra is on the ra itself. And we've got the fa, which has a kasra, the ra, which is sakin, which is preceded by a kasra on a fa. Fir'auna, and of course the exceptional letter here, khair. So the reason why I have given these examples, because the lam of Allah, lafdul jalala, is read with with tafkhim. The ra in any other case is read with tafkhim. The ra with any other case on sakin is read with tafkhim. And this ra, and when you're stopping, is normally read with tafkhim. Now all other cases of al-istifal are read with tarqiq. So for example, if you're saying ja'a, sha'a, man yasha'a, all of these are all read with tarqiq. So tarqiq is the natural state of the Arabic language, except for all of the conditions that we've covered so far with tafkhim. So this has already been explained. You can read this, and this is very easy, so we won't spend much time on it. What you can do is go through these letters, these words, with your teacher, and also answer these questions, and then they'll give you authorization to move on to the next one.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this, and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.